this is Dipali. Welcome to the DC show, and today we have with us the mesmerizing and the beautiful Aishwarya Majumdar.
Thank you very much. It is a super pleasure to be here talking to you, and I can't begin to say how proud I am about the DC show, and I get to be on it. So yeah.
I am glad to have you on the show because this has been one of my dream come true project, and I'm very happy about it.
Yay, we have a yay moment. So
yes,
good to begin with.
All right. So to begin with, let's talk about the lockdown and how you were constantly up to everything possible. Basically reliving a lot of moments that you were you'd completely forgotten about.
Exactly. So to begin with, things that I did was firstly spend a lot of time at home, which was new. I haven't been in one city for more than 1 month. Like that is the longest time I would be in one city. Maybe country, but not city. And I was here, and it's 5 months now that I've been just here, and it's my room, my house, my parents, my food, I don't know, my garden, and for a very long time also my dog. So everything was like I grew up. It was like going back to my childhood and literally redoing things that I had stopped doing because I didn't have time. Then the most that I've enjoyed is being able to binge watch Netflix or whatever else with my mom and dad. The one more thing that I've started reliving is my craft. I do a lot of craft, and so a good nice jing bang of that. And on the work side, I have earned more followers than I probably did in the past 6 months before the lockdown. So I think all of that put together has been one of those experiences of my life which is very enriching, and I have taken a nice fresh take on how I really want to look at the rest of my future. So
correct. I mean, you cannot stop at all with what you've done with your lockdown. When we are talking about lockdown, I saw everything put up on your stories or on the post. There were like 3 posts a day or more than that or less than that, but at least not 1, but at least 2 or 3. So what was those 2 or 3 things that you did not post, but you actually did it on daily basis, except the routine that you do? But that's something that people should know, but they don't know about.
Okay, so one that because of the time that I had on hand, I was recording a lot. So apart from brushing my teeth and having my chai, this is the other thing that I was doing. I was recording a lot. I learned how to use a recording software. So I borrowed a mic, and I got the setup, and I learned how to use it just enough so that I can record myself. That was one of the things that the world does not know, but I did it almost every day, and I've never shared how I do my riyaz. It's a big top secret. Nobody can know. This is more of a routine thing, but because the major time of the lockdown was the month of May and Aam ka season, so I used to help out with Amras. So मैंने Amras निकाला है. 3 or 4 times in a month I did that.
So you like to eat?
I like to eat it. I love the process also because I have OCD. तो ये ढंग से होना चाहिए. इसको गलत कर रहे हो आप. इसको ऐसे मत छानो. इसको ऐसे छानो. It begins with that, and then it just is unending.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. A lot of Aishwarya, a lot of things that I did not know about you. I mean, OCD is one thing. I mean, how do you handle that part? I mean, is it really there, or is it just on a lighter note you're saying?
No, it is pretty much there. I mean, it is uncomfortable. It's not the most comfortable part of me, but there's a bottle over there, right? I can see this bottle. It is not supposed to be over there. Plus, even if it has to be there, वो गिरी हुई है, उसको सीधा करके रखो. Those things which just I cannot help it. मेरी नज़र जाएगी वहाँ पे. So it's like that. I have OCD about that. I clean my phone. Sometimes I wash it with soap.
All right.
Yes, that's why I have to buy a water-resistant phone. So before the COVID crisis happened, when actually it did happen, I was totally prepared because I know that I wash my hands about 17 times a day. And all of this is normal for me. Living like कुछ मत छुओ, मुंह मत छुओ, हाथ धोते रहो.
So that came naturally to
very naturally to me. Very naturally.
How did it all happen? How did it all start?
The OCD?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I guess it's genetic. My mom has it. She has it for different things. And I think OCD is not just something that one should take on a lighter note. It actually also shows up in the work I do, in my job. So it's more than an OCD, it's about perfection. Do whatever you do with perfection.
When did she grow up so much?
In the lockdown, I have to tell you, I grew up in the lockdown. So much happened, I'm telling you.
What is this blast?
On a normal day, we don't ask these questions to me. I think it's everybody else's fault.
Okay, that they did not interview you on daily basis, and you missed all of this so much that you want to be all out talking about everything. That you know what I've improved. I've improved so much. So tell me more, because all the other times in not new normal, in general normal, you used to go out and shoot well and everything. But now with the new normal, did you go out, shoot, and if you did, like what did you take care about, and you know what were the basic struggle and challenges that you thought that you know you'd be doing something, then how would you do this?
Okay, so the three aspects, or maybe two, I don't know, I haven't really thought so much, but at least two I definitely know. One is recording a song in a studio, and the other is actually going out there and shooting something. So for recordings I had to go 3-4 times. Those were actually government projects. So literally between the lockdown, I remember I had 2 escort cars, and they would be one ahead of me, one behind me, and then we would be driven to the studio. And then you go upstairs, you know the mic has been sanitized, but this again, as I said, the OCD, it is a habit since so much longer before that ये तो पता है, ये तो करती ही हूँ मैं. So it's like that. So I carry these alcohol swabs, and I clean up the mic. The new procedure was to extra clean, which was constantly use it on my hands. And then you have your pop filter, which is right ahead of the mic, and you have to sanitize that because you sing into a pop filter. So that happened, which was a little extra. And wearing the mask was a little, well, not uncomfortable, but new. That I have never done. So yeah.
But you know, shooting, going out and shooting outdoors, I want to know more about that. Like, you know, that's where my curiosity is.
So the first time I actually shot with people was at a certain location. It was for a classical piece that I was doing, and weirdly it was not an outdoor shoot, it was an indoor shoot, so risk factors sort of doubles. And it was 3 of us, but so while we were actually practicing and all of that, we were all wearing masks. And just before the shoot, the 3 of us, the 3 presenters of that, we removed our masks because we were also being shot at the same time. So well, my mom, as I told you, she has exact as much OCD as I do. So she would keep on telling everybody, "Aap haath dho lo, aap sanitizer use kar lo, aap ise mat chuo." And then naturally, because हम लोगों को काम करना था, so we were anyway too tied up कि हमें जो करना है वो हमें करना है, and everybody else was doing everything. So 3 things that you have to follow is keep wearing the mask, don't touch your face, use the sanitizer, wash your hands, don't touch other things. That's it.
So coming back to work, coming back to music industry, Gujarati music industry, it's been happening well. I mean, the film industry has been doing good.
True.
So what's happening to the music industry according to you? Is it getting the kind of credit it should get the way the film industry is getting? The actors and the, you know, directors, everybody is getting their due. What about the singers?
Very frankly, I'm not very strongly connected to the industry in that sense of the word, because I have always been a very independent artist. So whether it had to be the Hindi music industry or the Hindi film industry, or it had to be the Gujarati film industry, music has always been an independent thing for people, for both industries. I think that my dues were paid because I made that effort. So maybe you are really good, maybe you really know what you're up to, and let's say you shine out through the industry, but then to keep it going is up to you. So it is all about how you project yourself. So luckily for me, I didn't have to wait for the industries, either of them, to give me my due. So I think always made sure I get it. And fan loyalty is very, very important, and you can only achieve it if you personally are going to share yourself with them.
Correct. So how radio stations and local radio stations, they don't promote local music in terms of local Gujarati music.
much, yes.
So something on those lines I would want to know, like what are you doing to to support the Gujarati music?
Honestly, I have never cared. I have really never cared, because they're going to do what they want to do, and they are really not there to make any artist popular. No TV channel is, and no radio station is. They are because they need sustenance for themselves.
I mean, you've been talking about it, that self-sufficient, and you've been actually practicing it since the
Yes.
time. Of course, this term was introduced to everyone. It wasn't anything new when
Yes.
it came out, but then you have been practicing it since a very long time, and that
It's about what life throws at you. You don't get to choose these things. Like, life happens, and I love to use this when I get a chance. People say when life throws lemons, make lemonade. But I'm gonna say, why should life throw lemons? If it has to throw lemons, then I'm gonna throw them back, because I'm gonna make a martini. I don't want to have lemonade. What if I don't want to have lemonade? Why does that nobody consider that? So it is about that. I don't want to make things difficult for me. I want to make something out of myself, and I want that to happen, and I'm going to make it happen. So you cannot wait for the chances to pop up. While the chances are doing their job, you do yours. So I think that was the kind of life that my entire family has lived, not just me. So you pick up on what people in your life are doing, people around you are doing. So I started singing fairly early in my life, and we decided this when I was 10, that okay, we're going to do it on our own, whatever happens. As long as you want to keep singing, we're going to keep singing. So it's the same thought process. It's a very complicated thought process, but for us it's easy because we've done it forever.
Correct. Talking about your work and creating your own kind of content that you like to create.
Yes.
So, be it recreating some songs or whatsoever, and coming up with some originals, or be it Garba, be it Hindi popular song, or anything of that sort. You are very good with your screen presence, what you present, your expressions and everything. I mean, that makes the song, the video even more interesting. So tell me one thing, have you thought of acting anywhere in your life, like a plan B? Now that I am sure you must have watched Bandish as well.
I haven't, but I intend to.
Yes, so there as well, because they're singers, they come out and they also act. So I wanted to ask this, I have asked this question earlier as well, that do you have a plan B? Do you want to sing?
I do have a plan B, but plan B is not acting. Okay. Plan B is little lot more sustainable, and let's just keep that a secret for now. In the meantime, to answer your question, whether I would like to act, yes, I would. I have only given this a thought in the past 2 months, because up until then I was pretty clear I didn't want to act, and then something happened and it just triggered that, what, I live once. If I have to fail as an actor, at least I tried it to fail it. So, and I'm pretty sure that's not going to happen. So I'm going to learn it, and I'm going to do it only after I know that I'm ready to do it. But I have given it a thought, and yes, I would very much like to consider that as an alternative, along with what I'm already doing. Also, that I would like to act in something that redefines what I really am. I'm a musician at heart. So whatever can redefine that zone for me, that's what I would like to venture into.
Okay, so this is for audience. We asked this question 2 years ago and the answer was no, the answer is yes. So that's the update. All right, so coming back to personal life,
Yes.
how does it feel to be single again?
Refreshing and very motivating. I guess I get to laugh stress-free because I don't have many other things or many other responsibilities to clutter my head with, sort of, it's more of a cleansing process. And I think you have less things to think about, so more space and time to think about things you really want to do. And things, I've always been a big workaholic. So more time on my hand means more work. And more work may I have been writing a lot. I have been making a lot of music on my own, which those are two things that I never ever thought I would be able to accomplish. It takes too much to write, very frankly. So good writers, you have like a big bow down out there. So there are so many things that go into writing, and those are things that I experienced because I had a free mind. So I like that.
Correct.
So I'm gonna look at myself in the mirror every day, and I want to look nice. So
So basically self-love. That has come in quite well.
yes, it has come in good taste, yes.
Yes. So on a lighter note, because you've grown up so much and you're talking all mature, let me tell you, if you would have had a dating app, what would be your bio for that? Tell me that.
I've never been on a dating app. Let's write right now. Something like, I am a desirable rainbow. And I don't know, somehow I wanted to go out with this husky voice. I don't know how to do this, but we're gonna have to design an app which can actually say this. I'm a desirable rainbow. So it's so cryptic that people would mostly never swipe right. That's how they do it, yeah?
Left and right.
Whatever it is, they would never swipe either way. So yeah.
You don't swipe.
Yeah, no, I want to be on a dating app, but I don't want to be like, अच्छा चलो इसको try करते हैं. I don't want to be that person. I don't know. You can see I've never given this a thought.
Clearly.
Clearly.
The answer says it all.
Yes.
Okay, so Aishwarya, this is another segment which is called Such Bowl.
Okay.
So Such Bowl is pun intended. There's
course.
there's a lot of there's not controversial. There are a lot of questions that you have to answer sachi, and it is in the bowl, and you have to bolo that. So yes, pick up any three, or you can pick up all five. It's all your choice.
At least let's go one by one.
Yeah. If you enjoy, then take it up.
Do you have anonymous accounts to stalk people on Instagram? Definitely no. No, I don't have that much time. Okay. Can you visit the US legally? Yeah, why not? As in, how is this question? Of course I can. I have a visa.
Okay.
कोई इवेंट या फिल्म ना पैसा लेवाना बाकी छे? Yes.
How many of them?
2 events, very very big ones, very very big amounts, which I cannot tell, but very big ones are there. 2 digits. Sorry, 7 digit. 6-7 digit number, something like that. I don't take care of my accounts. Have you ever not returned the collaboration wala outfit? Yes, I have. Because the person who I took it from is sitting in this room. So now I cannot lie. But that's not my fault. Then came the lockdown and then I didn't wash it. So yeah. Do you run your own fan club account? No, I don't. These were good questions. Good. See, I answered all 5.
All right. So the rapid fire round goes like this. The first question is, if God comes and tells you, you have to die, which of these ways would you opt for? Skydiving or parasailing?
Skydive.
All right. Given a chance, would you like to take a trip into the future or take a trip into the past, and why?
So definitely into the past, because I love surprises and the future would be a surprise. So I don't want to go to the future, I want to go to the past, because there are so many questions unanswered.
Given a choice, which career option would you consider? Actor or politician?
What's the second choice?
Actor or politician?
What's the second choice? Seriously, an actor has to be a politician, and a good politician has to be an actor. So yeah, what's the second option?
You just played.
Yes, I did.
God gives you 3 wishes. What will they be?
The first would be I want to talk to animals. The second one would be, honestly, I'm a different person than you know of me. So this is the other side of me that is very caring and is very kind. So I want to find an alternative for plastic, which is biodegradable in a certain way. So we can also save the planet, and also you can use it like we use plastic. So I'm looking for something, basically a biodegradable plastic is what I would ask God to do for the world because I really care. And number 3, I would like him to pass on certain gifts of his own, like how to use magic. I would like to actually become like those, magical persons कि हाँ चुटकी बजाते ही ये flowers की जगह पे apples आ गए, kind of thing.
Wow. For that.
I could have done better. Flowers की जगह पे diamonds आ गए.
Yeah, that sounds okay. Okay, so this is a cliche one, but then let's go ahead. What would be the first thing that you would do if you were made the Prime Minister of the country for a day?
For a day, I would change my term. The first thing I would do is I would change the term period, why one day?
I like that. You want to be that Nayak kind of a scene here.
I didn't think of this, but maybe, why not?
All right. Thank you so much. It was fantastic having you here, Aishwarya. Thank you so much for all your time.
Self-promotion it is, my friends. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share it on every social media platform that you know, and a thumbs up always works. So go ahead and like it and keep following us because we're nice people. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Hi Bhakti, how are you?
I'm good, what's up?
All good. Which were the films that you actually wanted to do and it was done by someone else and you're like, yeah, I wanted this role?
I think Helara was really good.
You have been an actor, you are a celebrity host, also you are an influencer. Which one do you like the best?
I think actor.
Did you really think that you should come up with a web series?
I want to write, I want to direct, I want to do everything.
Why do you want to don so many hats?
Because I really think I can do a better job than certain directors.